Can a zip tie make a constant velocity joint installation easier? No, a zip tie does not make constant velocity joint installation easier. In fact, trying to use one risks damaging parts and turning a simple axle repair into a big problem. The snap ring inside a constant velocity joint needs proper tools to be compressed safely and correctly. A zip tie just can't do the job reliably. Here's why. Constant velocity axle work often fails at small points, like snap rings, boots, clamps, seals, and threads. Forcing anything with the wrong method, such as trying to use a zip tie on a snap ring, risks bigger issues. For example, a 2006 Duramax Silverado 2500 heavy-duty truck started with a leaking front differential seal. That small leak quickly led to a much larger job, needing the removal of the extension housing, a full internal inspection, differential service, and very specific parts lookup and reassembly. The constant velocity joint itself is a precise part, and forcing it incorrectly can cause damage that leads to early failure. To install a constant velocity joint correctly and avoid damage, here are the exact steps. First, always look up the service data for your specific vehicle. This data includes exploded views and the correct assembly order. This information is essential for understanding how the joint and snap ring are designed to fit. For instance, on that 2006 Duramax Silverado 2500 heavy-duty, the front axle reassembly sequence is very specific, especially around the differential and the constant velocity joint. Second, use the correct constant velocity clamp tool when securing new constant velocity boots. This tool ensures a tight, proper seal, which is critical for preventing grease leaks and contamination. Both are common causes of joint failure. Never rely on zip ties or generic clamps for constant velocity boots. Third, if you need to gently tap the constant velocity joint into place, use a brass hammer. A brass hammer will protect the threads and other delicate surfaces from damage. Do not use a steel hammer directly on the constant velocity joint or axle components. It can easily deform parts or strip threads. Fourth, make sure all new seals are properly lubricated with the specified gear oil or sealant before you install them. For the 2006 Duramax Silverado 2500 heavy-duty, using the correct gear oil for the differential and specific sealants for the housing is crucial to prevent future leaks. Also, carefully inspect the differential during disassembly. If any internal parts seem loose or fall out, you must fix that issue before putting everything back together. Ignoring these proper installation steps can lead to the constant velocity joint failing early, new differential leaks, or even the axles separating completely. This could easily cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars in more repairs. Always use the right tools and follow your service manual to keep your vehicle running correctly. Check your differential seals if you notice any fluid leaks around your front axle.